All right, let's talk about what a resolution management conference is. If you're facing a divorce here in Arizona, or really any type of family law case, you may get a notice from the court that the court has set your matter for a resolution management conference. It usually happens near the outset of the case, once the petition's been filed, sometimes once a response has been filed. The court often automatically sets what is known as the RMC. And it is a chance for the parties to get together with the judge to talk about resolving the case. You touch base with the judge, you give him a status of where settlement negotiations are, you talk about any hurdles to the settlement process, and you see if the judge can maybe help you resolve those issues. And you can potentially reach a full agreement, and that can be put on the record at the RMC if you're ready to do so. There are a couple of things that are supposed to be done at least 5 days prior to the resolution management conference that you may not be aware of unless you look through the rules and know what to do to get prepared. Number one, you're supposed to submit what's called a resolution management statement. It's also known as a proposed resolution statement. And you go through and you list out what your proposed resolution is for each issue in your case. That gets filed with the court and a copy is provided to the other side. Within or at least 5 days prior to the hearing, you're also supposed to have provided the other side with your initial disclosure statement. What's supposed to be in this disclosure, you can find that in Rule 49 of the Arizona Rules of Family Law Procedure. And you're also supposed to have done what's called a meet and confer. You're supposed to talk to the other side or their attorney and try to work out as many issues as possible prior to the hearing. Now, calculating those 5 days, determining when that deadline hits, you're only going to look at business days that the court is open. So you wouldn't count holidays or weekends in counting that 5 days. And you'll want to get your meet and confer done. There's nothing you need to file with the court. You just need to have a communication with the other side, try to work out issues. You need to provide the other side with your initial disclosure statement, and you'll want to file and exchange your proposed resolution statement. Then when you get to the hearing, understand there isn't going to be any evidence presented. It's not a trial. It's just a discussion with the judge about the status of settlement and where to go next. And like I said, you can potentially reach an agreement that can be put on the record. So those are the basic ins and outs of a resolution management conference. So hopefully you will be prepared for yours, and maybe you can reach an agreement at your RMC. This is Arizona lawyer Julie LeBenz. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, share it. Please subscribe. Check out my YouTube channel. Check out my Facebook page. I'd love to hear from you. I would love to educate you about Arizona divorce and family law. So I'm Arizona lawyer Julie LeBenz. Thanks so much for watching.